Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So today is October 31st, 2021, and we're taking the sweet potatoes out here. Now, these were already hit by partial frost because the wind chill from the coldness, it damaged some of the foliage of them, but the sweet potatoes appear to still be okay, so we're going to be taking these out today.
It's already had a squirrel. Wow. Okay.
Now these were the slips that we had bought. They didn't look the best when we had bought them, but went ahead and planted them anyway. You can see they produced a pretty good crop here of sweet potatoes from what we're seeing so far.
Look at that.
Wow.
They're nice.
Thanksgiving.
Yeah. Thank God, hey. Okay, I'm going to pour this in here. Oh my goodness, look at that one. Here's a little one. He's all cracked up. There for now. Oops, he had another one here growing on him. Oh my goodness. Look.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. That one okay?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Wow. Oh. Oh my goodness. Oh, I have to be careful. They are in here. Oh, jeez. You can see how they're compacted in here. Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm trying to get around it. Oh my goodness. I still broke it all. Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, if you don't want to break them, you gotta dump them out.
Okay. They're just... Whoa. Okay. Should I dump it out?
Yeah.
Oh. Oof. I don't know how to get... I don't want to dump it on the ground.
And you gotta dump it on the tarp.
Ready?
Yep.
Whoa. Ugh. I can't. Oh my goodness gracious. Oops. Sorry. Ugh. Oh, I can't get it all the way off. Yeah, please. Ugh. Oh my goodness gracious. Oh, here we go. Okay, straight up. Okay. Should I put the soil back in or what?
Yeah, you can then.
Okay. Most of them stayed up to the top.
Yeah. So it's cold and windy up here today, and the wind is really blowing. It was raining earlier today.
Oh, almost fell on my head.
So, getting some soil put back in the bin here, getting it refilled. So you can see what we've gotten out of that one there. This one here needs to be dumped out. There you go.
I'll get the tag here a minute, sorry.
This one here needs dumped out. You can see what's in this one here. You can see videos on my channel for how these here were planted.
Ready? Yeah, there's one. Okay, gotcha. Oh, there's some already. Ready? There we go. Oh, jeez.
Whoa, look at them on the bottom.
Well, this one here went down to the bottom.
Oh my goodness, you gotta come over, hon. Look at this one, little kid.
Look at this.
That's one of the sweet potatoes there that's in that thing. Mikey's gonna check it out here. What is that, sweeties? Huh? What's that? It's a big sweet potato.
What we thought we
That's that big sweet potato there.
Yeah, we didn't think these things were good. These are to cook. Oops, you got tails.
Let me take some of this here, right? Just put it in here. That
Weird.
I don't know, that's pretty, that is not...
No.
Mikey, dig, dig.
Mikey's gonna help look.
Good boy!
I ain't telling.
What do you smell? There's something in there?
Probably a mouse.
Oh my
or
goodness.
something. Thank you, buddy.
Mikey, you gonna dig, dig? Oh, wait, wait.
Wow, he helps pretty good.
Yeah, you know what you're being black.
That's okay. He'll dry. He'll dry. Won't y'all?
Well, these have more,
He'll dry.
went into more of the
Reddish tint or reds on
Yeah.
a lot of them.
long skinny
wow.
tails instead of any
Look at this.
big tubes.
Oh, here you got some more. That's a little thing here. Oh, hey, you're slinging some hash my way, boy.
Yeah, you gotta watch when Mikey's digging. He'll just throw stuff out.
What's in there? Huh?
Oh dear.
There's one. Oh, yeah. Whoa, look at that one.
What you got? Oh, wow, that's a nice one.
There's a nice one.
Yeah. Hey, look at this.
Oh,
man.
come on.
No way.
Michael.
Oh,
You didn't think I was doing that to help, did you? Self-preservation. Okay, mister. You can throw them in there.
that might be a little small.
We'll just throw the kettle in there. Michael, look here. Look here. What's it? What's it?
Oh, Lordy.
There's what?
Trying
Mommy's
to
playing
keep
in
the
it.
fish worms warm, huh?
Mommy's playing in it. Why can't I? Okay, you got me out of there on the false pretext.
Because I take a bath.
So,
There's your shovel handle.
Thank you.
we're putting the soil back in the bin over there.
Just want a little light here.
I'm cleaning that.
So, we're just sifting through the last of it there as it's put back into the bin over there to see if we find any more sweet potatoes in there. So you can see up here, this is what we got out so far. A lot of them went into smaller roots, but for what the stalks look like when they were planted, it's pretty big sweet potatoes. So this is what we got here. We're putting more of them down here. Sweet potatoes for slips for next year. You want to save the biggest ones so that you get your nice big potatoes off of them.
Yeah, I don't know what to do with them.
So that's came out of that bin over there. You can see that big sweet potato there.
This was only 3 stalks. These will be cooked up for tails.
Okay.
Because these are dehydrating. You don't watch it really quick.
So you can see over there, that came out of the round bucket there. Moved it on me. So that's the sweet potato harvest for 2021.
And only 5 stalks, so.
Now these will get laid out in the basement on newspaper or cardboard blocks, a cool dark location to dry and do what they call curing. The little ones are going to get cooked up because they won't last very long. They'll dehydrate on you. And you want to store your sweet potatoes out of sun. Some people run a fan when they're drying their sweet potatoes. So these are going to get put away then after they're done being sorted out from the big ones to the large ones for what needs used first. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.
You gotta wash it though.
Yeah, this was, sorry, I'm getting all